Are you looking for the best backup cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the best backup cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EACE 4K Backup Camera. The DVR is only compatible with cars that have a 12V power supply. A 24V power supply will burn the motherboard. If you want to use 24V, please add a 24V to 12V converter, BL. Our car DVR is FHD 1080p video recorder, must use high-quality class 10 TF card. Any low-quality/low-speed TF card all can't support our DVRs work normally. If you can't make sure you have good TF card, please buy our original TF card together. The product connects wireless CarPlay and Android Auto via Bluetooth. Then it will automatically switch to Wi-Fi for data transmission. Then you can use GPS navigation, make a call, receive and dispatch messages, listen to music, etc. Smart rear view angle switch between driving and parking. You could see all further vehicles and objects clearly behind you while real-time driving, and it will switch the rear view camera automatically to give a closer backup image when parking. Easily record your driving route, location, and speed on the GPS player. Real 2160p help to identify vital details such as license plates, driver actions, and road features which may prove your innocence. Number 2. REDTIGER A4 Backup Camera. Cutting-edge connectivity. Utilize the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi to seamlessly transfer data using the intuitive REDTIGER app for quick access to recordings. Control the dash cam effortlessly via touch commands or simply by using your voice, ensuring a hands-free and convenient experience. Capture detailed footage with the 4K front camera and the 1080p rear camera, providing crisp images for both front and rear views. Equipped with a super night vision function, this dash cam ensures clear and detailed recordings even in low-light conditions. Benefit from the 24-hour parking monitoring function that keeps your vehicle under surveillance even when you're not around. Automatically record incidents with the collision detection feature, ensuring that critical moments are captured for review. Stay informed about your driving route and location with a built-in GPS feature, offering accurate tracking for your journeys. Enjoy uninterrupted recording with the loop recording function, which automatically records over old footage to ensure space efficiency. Number 3. AZDOME 4K Backup Camera. Mirror Dash Cam provides 5 GHz high-speed transmission. User could configure all settings and view or download dashcam videos in real time through the free AZDOME app. AZDOME GPS player could view the speed, route, latitude, and longitude of the recorded video. AZDOME PG19X mirror camera could completely record the driving route data. Digital rear view mirror provides evidence during emergencies. Rear view mirror dash cam front and rear offers 11.26-foot screen streaming media full touchscreen. User could operate dashcam easily. The Super Night Vision feature helps capture clear videos and enhance details in low-light conditions, displaying license plates and road signs clearly. Rear view mirror dash cam could overwrite old videos automatically. Mirror dash cam front and rear will automatically provide storage space for new video recording. When reversing, the rear view mirror camera automatically switches to full screen display of the backup camera image, showing parking assist lines on the screen. User could manually adjust the display range up and down for optimal visibility, making parking safer. Number 4. UHD 4K Backup Camera. Novatec chipset is the top brand for dashcam. Novatec 96670 is fast processor for video and pictures, can delivers professional 4K 30 FPS videos and 12MP photos, which is 4 times resolution of traditional 1080p. It is also ultra-low light sensor. With GC4653 sensor, it can offer ultra-night vision video easily. We use 6 layers of high-quality glass lenses with f1.8 aperture and Sony top sensor GC4653, further optimizing footage quality in terms of exposure balance, color accurateness and stability. Super light sensitive, even better at night. It is with 1.47-inch top OLED screen. Click the button to switch to 4 different display modes: front view, rear view, standby, app QR code. GPS tells how fast you're going, what direction, and your coordinates at all times. Which was a very cool feature. If a cop pulls you over and says you're doing 65 in a 55 zone, you have video to watch and view a moving marker on the route using Google Maps, proof of exactly how fast you were going. With a 170 degrees wide angle, The dashcam provides excellent image quality and a wider field of view. The reversing camera has a wide-angle lens of 140 degrees, allowing you to reduce blind spots and capture excellent quality images. Number 5. AZDOME 4K plus 2.5K Backup Camera. AZDOME Dashcam front and rear delivers razor-sharp 3840x 2160p at 30 fps front recording and 2560x 1440p 30 frames per second rearview mirror camera footage. Dual HDR ensures balanced exposure day or night. Capture license plates and road signs with absolute clarity. Experience superior night vision with this mirror dashcam's cutting-edge Starvis 2 technology. The 7-layer glass lens and IMX678 sensor absorbs 60% more light than standard dashcams, transforming dark commutes into daylight-like visibility. Download accident footage 4x faster than standard dashcams via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The AZDOME app lets taxi/rideshare drivers instantly share HD videos with insurance teams or clients without removing the memory card. Control your rear-view mirror dash cam safely with natural speech, take photo, start recording, or lock file. Elderly drivers and parents stay focused on the road while managing this AZDOME dash cam. The PG-17 Pro's advanced G-sensor automatically locks crash footage along with the 5 critical seconds before impact, ensuring commercial truckers get complete accident evidence with zero manual input.